Good evening, guys. I hope you all are doing good. This is your friend and host MCV, and today I am here at one of the spot in KL. Welcome back to my channel. Today, the place which I am going to show you is this. This is one of the photo spot in Kuala Lumpur. You can visit here by your private vehicle, or you can visit here by private taxi. And this is really a very beautiful spot to take pictures and videos. Here you can see all main three buildings of Kuala Lumpur in one frame. You see, guys, this is the three buildings in one frame, which you can't see when you are in the city. And the view is really very beautiful. There are big houses here, bungalows here, and the view you can see, guys, is awesome. Wow, just fantastic. The timing to visit this place is before 7 o'clock, because this is now a private property and they close this place after 7. So daytime you can visit here, you can take pictures, make videos for your social media. Guys, I am MCV, your friend, and I used to explore places like this sometimes whenever I got day off, because I am working here as a security guard, and not in KL. I am working in Klang. Klang is around 45-50 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur, and whenever I got day off, I every time used to go and explore places like this and make videos. I recently started making my vlogs, so guys, support me so that I can visit more such places and make more nice videos. This is the spot, guys, photo spot in Bukit Tuanku, where you can see all three main buildings of KL Malaysia in one frame. After this, I am going to visit one more place, which is called the National Palace. That will be around 7 or 8 kilometers away from here, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, I have already reached at the place. I'll show you. This is the place there, but the thing is, it's raining now, so we have to wait for some time because the visitors are already gone because of the rain. And until it's raining, let's talk. I want to tell you something about myself. My name is MCV according to my channel, and I am here in Malaysia since like around 10 to 15 years. I'm working as a security guard in Klang. Klang is near about 40 to 50 kilometers, as I told you earlier. See, the bus has arrived, means the visitors arrived. So this is the place where people used to visit like this. You can come here by your private vehicle also. Okay, guys, I think it is time to go inside now. The rain is low, almost gone, and we are using the side entrance. Parking is not the problem here. There is a huge parking here. You can bring your own private vehicles, cars and motorbikes. Even you can use the tour and travel buses to visit this place. This place is really very beautiful, guys. The entrance I am using is the side entrance. There is another entrance from that side actually, which people mostly use. Even the side entrance is also looks nice, and at this place you can find washrooms, a rest point also. So you can come here, you can rest for a while, you can use the washroom, then you can visit this place, see this place like in a nice way. This is the side entrance from where I'm going inside. Guys, there are two national palaces in KL, which mostly people get confused. This is the new one which opened in year 2011, and there is one old one which is in KL, which is now converted to the museum. And this is not a small place. It is 98 hectares, covered 98 hectares of the land. The most iconic feature is the 22 golden domes. The two of the largest domes are uniquely designed to look like layered betel leaves. Since it is an active royal residence now, so you cannot go inside. Most of the visitors are stopped at the main gate you can take photos, videos here, and see the architect and the mounted royal guards. If your timing is right, you can see the changing of guard ceremony at the main entrance, this entrance, guys. But I also have no idea what time they used to do that ceremony. The old palace, guys, which one is in Malaysia, but not so far nearby only, which is called now a royal museum. That palace served as a national palace from 1957 to 2011, and now that is converted to a royal museum, which is open for the public, but not now. After renovation they will reopen it. I think nearby June or July will be reopened again. It wasn't built as a palace. It was originally in 1928. It was a mansion owned by a Chinese tycoon named Chan Wing. The government bought it in 1957 and renovated it for the king. Now it is open for the public, so you can tour the throne rooms, the royal dining hall, and even the private bedrooms. It gives a very intimate looks at how the previous king used to live in there. It is very important, guys, to visit these kind of places and to explore different kind of things in the life, because out of the busy life, if you don't do any kind of activities, such activities, life is really boring. Because I used to work in Malaysia for a long time, so many years, and I every time keep postponing the things, like okay, I'll do tomorrow, I'll do next month, I'll do next month. But one day I decided that I will not postpone. I will start doing what I wanted to do, always. Because when you're going to start, later on when you get old, that is not the time to start, right, guys? Right? So start doing something for yourself, because whole life we do for our families, for kids, and ourself is always out of the frame. And I don't know when, guys, we as a foreigner, I don't think there are few of the foreigners who are working outside from our countries. Like I am working here in Malaysia, I'm Indian, and we forget our life. We live for our family, we earn for our family. Then when the time comes to live our life, then we get old, right? So start doing something for yourself, so that later on you have stories for you to tell to your grandchildren. And now I am here in Malaysia after 15 years of work, doing for my family. I have started something for myself. So what I begin with is doing vlogs and traveling to different kind of places, and I save my money. I'm not rich, guys, but I save my money and I buy the motorbike so that I can explore these places. And here I am doing these things, and I'm really very happy, guys. What I am doing, I'm very happy. At least I am doing what I wanted to do. That is always one of the things I wanted to do. to explore the things, explore different places, and I am here doing that. I am really glad that I get a chance to do that. But you guys who are working in abroad, who are working in Malaysia as a security guard, as a general workers, as a different category of works, live for yourself. Otherwise one day you will going to think about this, that why we missed it, right? Start living for yourself, guys, and I need your support, guys. Support me and subscribe my channel so that I can visit more such places, and I'll show you more such beautiful places in Kuala Lumpur, in Selangor, in nearby Kuala Lumpur, in Ipoh, which is around 200 to 300 kilometers from my place. But I don't have any issue of traveling because I like to travel, I like to ride. So me and my bike are always ready to ride, guys, and we love to ride. My next destination will also be maybe in Ipoh or maybe somewhere in Kuala Lumpur. And guys, support me, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. See you in my next vlog.